In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Google Ads account. Verifying your account is an essential step to ensure your advertising efforts are compliant with Google's policies and to maintain a level of trust with your audience. So let's dive in and go through this process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Google Ads overview page. You can do this by heading to the Google Ads dashboard, which is the centralized place for managing all of your advertising campaigns. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This page gives you a complete overview of your current campaigns, insights into performance, and any alerts that might need your attention. Now that you're on the overview page, the next step is to access the billing section. To do this, look towards the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you should see a list of options. Find and click on the one labeled Billing. This section allows you to handle all aspects of your payments and billing preferences, and is crucial for managing your account's financial aspects effectively. This includes managing your payment methods, reviewing transaction history, and adjusting billing settings. Once you're in the billing section, the next thing to do is locate the advertiser verification option. You'll typically find this as a subsection or an option within the billing area. Click on advertiser verification to move forward. This particular step is important because it authenticates your account, verifying the identity of your business or organization to Google. This step is pivotal for building transparency and trust, as it helps Google ensure that your ads are genuine and from credible sources. During the advertiser verification process, you might be prompted to provide additional information about your business. This could include legal business documents or details about your business operations. Make sure you have these ready before you start the process to avoid any delays. Remember, the goal here is to confirm your identity and the legitimacy of your ad content to align with Google's advertising policies. Completing the verification process might take some time, so be patient. Google might take a few days to review the information you've submitted. It's essential to follow any additional instructions or requests for information, as missing any steps could lead to delays in getting your account verified. Taking these steps keeps everything in compliance and helps ensure that your ads run smoothly and effectively. This process is not only crucial for maintaining the integrity of your advertisements, but also fortifies your brand's credibility in Google's eyes and among your audience. Keep an eye out for any notifications from Google, as they will update you on the status of your verification. By following these steps, you're well on your way to a fully verified account and one step closer to more successful advertising campaigns.